Hello, and welcome back to Short Stories with Daniel. This is the Whisked Wonders Baking Adventure. In the cheerful town of Sugarville, where sweet scents floated through the air and colourful houses lined the streets, there lived a group of friends who loved two things more than anything: delicious treats and incredible adventures. These friends were Mia, the creative cookie decorator; Max, the fearless cake artist; Ava, the science-savvy pastry chef; and Leo, the daring dessert inventor. One sunny morning, as they gathered at their favorite hangout spot under the rainbow-colored tree, Mia had an idea that would change their lives forever. "What if we start a baking club?" she exclaimed, her eyes twinkling with excitement. Max nodded enthusiastically. "Yeah, club where we explore new recipes, create our own magical desserts, and share them with the whole town." Ava, with her notebook full of baking experiments, chimed in. "And we could even experiment with different ingredients to make treats that no one has ever tasted before." Leo grinned mischievously. "And maybe we could have a dessert-eating contest at the end of each adventure." With their plan set, they named themselves the Whisked Wonders and started their baking adventure. Their first mission was to create the most extraordinary cake for the annual Sugarville Fair. The friends brainstormed ideas under the rainbow tree, combining Mia's artistic touch, Max's cake sculpting skills, Ava's scientific precision, and Leo's wild imagination. They decided to bake a towering cake shaped like a magical castle, complete with turrets, drawbridges, and hidden surprises. For weeks, they worked tirelessly, testing recipes, mixing batter, and sculpting fondant into intricate shapes. Max carved chocolate into castle walls. Mia painted edible murals. Ava concocted sparkling candy potions, and Leo crafted secret compartments filled with surprise candies. The day of the fair arrived, and the Whisked Wonders proudly presented their creation. The castle cake stood tall, its windows gleaming with colourful sugar glasses, and its drawbridge made of crispy wafer cookies. Crowds gathered around, marveling at the masterpiece before them. But it was when the cake was cut open that the real magic happened. As people took their first bites, they were greeted with bursts of unexpected flavors. Fizzy strawberry lemonade in the turrets, chocolate mousse moats, and even hidden room with a rainbow of marshmallow unicorns. The crowd erupted in cheers, and the Whisked Wonders beamed with pride. They had not only created a cake that looked like a fairy tale, but also one that tasted like pure magic. Their baking club became the talk of the town, and each adventure they embarked on brought new and delightful surprises. From baking cookies that changed colors with every bite, to crafting cupcakes that turned into mini hot air balloons, their creativity knew no bounds. As their fame spread, they even welcomed new members to the Whisked Wonders. Kids who shared their passion for baking and imaginative fun. Together, they continued to explore uncharted dessert territories, creating treats that not only satisfied taste buds, but also sparked imaginations. And so, in the heart of Sugarville, the Whisked Wonders Baking Club turned each day into a delectable adventure, proving that with a pinch of creativity, a dash of friendship, and a lot of flour, anything was possible. The end. Thank you for listening. If you liked this short story, please click like and subscribe below. Thank you.